everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. It's a super casual day today, just because it has been cleaning day. It's been a deep cleaning day, and a box showed up. And we all know how when a box shows up, I gotta open the box. So that's why I'm here. And I've got the FabFitFun sweatshirt on, and you can see this is a large, super baggy, but I love it because it's also super comfortable. So what's the box? It is from Trendsend, and it was a mistake because I wasn't expecting it. I thought I had canceled it, but apparently I had not canceled it. So it's on my bed. So we're going to open it and we're going to see what's in it. I will say the box is very light. That kind of worries me. Because remember, Trendsend is more on the pricey side. So let's see. Okay, our paperwork. Let's see here. It says, high five your reflection. Ready for your closet upgrade. It does say you've got her back and we've got yours. So give 20, get 20. Share it with the friend, but it doesn't give me any information around how. So let's see here. August. And looks like there's 4 outfits in here. We've got 5 days to try it on. And there are no pricings in here. If I'm remembering correctly, I think the pricings are on the tags, right? Let's see. So here is one package. And here's the next package. And inside is the return bag. I want to start with this just because it's lighter colors. Let's see what they gave me. All right, off the top. So remember, again, they do outfits. So if they gave me a shirt too short for my comfort on the arms, if they gave me another shirt to go over it as part of an outfit, I'm going to be okay with it. And that's exactly what this is. So I will say I love the color. So it's the Ever Eve. So I do like the color. The price is $48. All right. So then this shirt, it must go under. Okay, I like it. So the Ever Eve. So it is my style. I do like it. I like the cuffed sleeves. It's the shorter. Let's see what the price is. $88. Ever Eve is on the pricey side. So to wear that shirt with this shirt, we are looking at is that right? 136, is that right? 136. Okay. I'll try it on because you guys give me a hard time and I don't try things on. Because again, as long as I'm comfortable wearing the outfit for people to see, I'll try it on. If I'm not comfortable, meaning my arms, I won't try it on. Full disclosure. So if you're watching the video right now, just full disclosure. This I'll try on, but this I ain't keeping. Let me check the material before I show it to you. Yeah, this is too high maintenance for me. It's a suede skirt. I will say the color on the camera is much better than the color here. It's too orangey in person. Oh, that's a good right there. The light hitting it. That's kind of the color. It's suede. That's just too high maintenance for me. $74. The color is coconut, which is very interesting. So I mean, I'll try it on, but suede, that's just first, oh, that's just too high maintenance for me. But okay, so I'm assuming that must be outfit 1. Well, no, we'll check the outfits once I've unboxed everything. So next, okay, so another undershirt. Not a big fan of this type of collar. So here's the shirt. It is more cream warm. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Is there a stain? Oh no, that's the tag. Okay, hold on, let me take that out. There we go. There's something on it. Goodness gracious. Okay, there we go. But I'll try it on with something over top of it. Ooh, so it's an Ever Eve Colors Ivory. It's $68. That actually goes very nice with the suede skirt. All right, next item. Nope. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna be trying this on because the sleeves, so I'm not comfortable. But it's this shirt. Now I will say, if this shirt had sleeves, I would like it. It's Ever Eve. The price is $68. It is like a very, very light sweatshirt. So it's in between a sweatshirt and a t-shirt. So again, I would like this if it had sleeves. So that is disappointing. So it's very interesting to see what these outfits are going to be. And then pants. So black jeans, $158. So these are going to be black jeans with the wide legs, wide bottoms. So I will try these on. Let's look at the outfits though. I'm very curious. So let me just say this. I don't think they did a good job with picking the outfits. So there's 3 shirts that I'm not comfortable wearing unless I have them underneath something. So that kind of is how did they do the outfits? Okay, so let's just see. Outfit number 1. So it is the black and white stripe with the barrel pant jeans. So this and this right here. So we've got outfit 1. That's one outfit. Outfit 2 is this shirt with the coconut suede. So that right there is one outfit. Goodness. This with that, gosh, I'm doing a horrible job here, you guys, horrible. Okay, that with this. So color-wise, it goes. But I'm not wearing that shirt. All right, next item. Third outfit, coconut skirt with the French blue shirt with the undershirt. That together I'm going to try on. And then the last is the tee, just the tee, the blue tee, French blue with the black pants. I don't think they did a good job. That's just me. Let me try on. So let me try on the French blue tee, the French blue and white striped shirt with the camel color, or no, coconut color suede skirt. And then I'll switch out the bottoms for the black jeans. So the 2 shirts that I'm sorry you guys, I'm just not comfortable trying on and showing are this shirt, which again, I'm disappointed in that, and this. But what I will do for you guys, it should give you an idea of what this shirt looks like for the collar. I will try this on, but I'm going to put the French blue shirt over it just so you guys can see what the collar looks like. So let me start. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, this hat totally does not match. All right, let me start off by saying that this suede skirt feels like butter. It is so stinking soft. The skirt is just, it is super stinking comfortable, you guys. However, there is no way that I can manage that skirt. Let's look at it. Okay, so here's the skirt. It's a large, and it's big. I don't like the skirt with this. This is not a casual. This I see as more as casual. I don't see a suede skirt with this, but I also don't like the colors with it, especially with this hat. But this shirt, I love this shirt. I really do. My thing is though, do I need to buy an extra shirt to go underneath it? Like, do I need to spend the money to do that? I don't know. It's kind of like something extra, right? It just gives it an extra, but yeah. So I really love this shirt. I really do. It's just, do I need to spend the extra money for this? I don't think so. So I think I'm just going to keep this shirt and return this. The suede skirt, regardless of it being comfortable, you guys, I wouldn't use it. So, all right, let me try on the other. Okay, I just wanted to pop real quick back on here to talk a little bit more about the suede skirt. So it is, let's see, I'm looking to see if it's fake suede. So it is faux suede. It's 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it's dry clean only. But it's fake suede. Regardless, it's not going to be easy to take care of, but it still feels like butter. All right, everyone, let's talk about the pants. I don't like them because there's too much material. So I am going to tilt the camera down so you guys can see okay. Oh, and I got a sock on the floor. Let's just kick that to the side. Okay, see what I mean? There's just, with me being short the way I am, these types of pants, I just don't think they look good on me. So yeah, I'm just not a fan of them. It's just not my style. And that's okay. But let me put on that cream shirt so you guys can see what the collar looks like. Okay, I'm going to see if I can try to do this and not show my arms. Yeah, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone for you guys. Okay, I'm going to keep my arms like this. There we go. I'll keep my arms like this. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like. Okay, I'm going to try on that other shirt too. Let me just show you the back. I'm going out of my comfort zone, you guys. Okay, that's about as much as I can do. All right, let me try on that other one then and show you guys. But yeah, this is what, it's just an undershirt. Okay. I've tried it on. I'm going to show you as much as I'm comfortable with. So the shirt would be, if you were okay with showing your arms in public, I still don't think I would like this shirt, just because, like, look how, like, the arms kind of push out with the jeans. I don't like that either. So, okay, let me switch out and I'll be right back. So I've left the jeans on, but I want to show you again this FabFitFun sweatshirt from a different view so you can truly see size-wise. Okay, and this is a large. Again, I'm happy with this size because I want it bulky. It's comfortable to me. Some people might not like that. But like this is what it would look like with, you know, these pants, which you can't really see from that angle, so I'm sorry. Okay, so let me do a recap again. So the suede, fake suede is going to be a no. But if you, again, were interested in that, it is $74. The brand is Z Supply. All right. Can you, hey everyone, you might notice something. Bad cat. She does not like that. Sorry. She doesn't like that the door's closed. Okay, back to this. So this shirt, if you did like this shirt, it is Ever Eve brand, and it was is $68. So if that is something that you would like. Also by Ever Eve, this shirt, $68. I think this shirt, $68, is ridiculous. The faux suede skirt being $74, I think that is more reasonable than that shirt. Then also by Ever Eve, the blue, while I like the color, I don't think I am going to pay $48 just for an undershirt. Although I did like it under the other shirt. I just don't want to pay $48 for it. Especially when this shirt that I am going to be keeping, also by Ever Eve, is already $88. Now the styling fee that I already paid, which I want to say might be 40 bucks or 35 bucks, comes off this. So why not apply that towards something? And I do really like this shirt. And then we have the pants, $158 by Ever Eve, which I think is absolutely ridiculous, in my opinion. And that's it. I am very disappointed. I felt like the last box held more items that I liked. I just didn't want to pay the price point. This box, it left a lot to be desired. Also, there are 6 items, and I'll be honest with you guys, I am getting used to Wantable sending 7 to 9, more on the 9 side. I'm liking that, you guys. These other boxes are going to have to step up their game because now we're getting used to, me, getting more items in these boxes so that there are, when you really miss the mark and you only have a few items, you really miss the mark. So that is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you appreciated me going and getting a little bit out of my comfort zone. I hope you appreciated that. But hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye, everyone.